Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about rectangular array. In previous video we learned about polar array. Now we will see how to use rectangular array. Rectangle array is used if you want to make grid of rows and columns. Then you can use what? Rectangular array. So let's see how to use. So for that I will just type a command of array classic as we did in previous video. This is the array classic option. I will just click on this one. This window will be appear. Now this was the polar option. Now I need what? Rectangular option. So I will select this one. Now the next thing here is it is asking about select the object that you want to what? Array, okay, in rectangular position. So I will hit here. Okay, now I will select this one. I want to make rectangular array of this box. Okay, I will select this one and I will just enter, and then what it is asking about, how many rows do you need and how many columns do you need. As in this preview option you can see here, these are the rows 1 2 3 and 4 rows, and these are the columns 1 2 3 and 4 columns. Okay, now by default it is 4 rows and 4 columns, and if I need more then I can change from here. Okay, for example I need some 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay, 3 or 4 columns for example, for better understanding. Okay, now you can see here these are the rows 1 2 and 3 rows, and these are the columns 1 2 3 and 4 columns. Hope you understand what are rows and what are columns. Now the next thing here is what is the row offset. Okay, so what does offset mean? Here what you have to do is you have to just include the length and the breadth of that object plus offset. Okay, for example here I have just give the example. If I need offset along this position, what I have to do is I have to just mention that this is the width, this is the length of the object plus offset unit. Okay, so I need 1 unit of offset, so I will just include 10 unit of that object plus 1 unit of offset. That whole will make what? 11. So this is what offset is. So here in row offset, what will be the unit? Object height is 5 unit and I need 1 unit of offset, so it will make what? 6 unit. Okay, now in this position total object length is 10 unit and I need 1 unit of offset, so I will make here 11. So hope you understand what is the offset in array. Now I will just hit tab key. Now I will go into the preview. Now preview is looking fine. Now I will hit escape key and I will press OK. This is what rectangular array is all about. There are 3 rows 1 2 3, and there are 1 2 3 and 4 columns. Hope you understand this session. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.